मेरो बारीमा के फलिरहेको छ अपडेट हेर्नु त ओके लेट्स गो विथ मी ल बास्केट लिगौँ अनि यो बिग्रेको बनाना छ यो चाहिँ मेरो डगलाई दिने अनि त्यसपछि हेरौँ है त के छ मेरो बारीमा लेट्स डु सम क्विक बारी अपडेट यो बनानालाई चाहिँ ब्रेक गरेर टुक्रा टुक्रा पारौँ अनि त्यसपछि यिनीहरूलाई दिउँ है त मोनालिसा हुनुहुन्छ यहाँ This I have recently planted pumpkin. Halka grow bhairaheko cha and I have another one down there. Let's see because the land is very dry and I've got some mint in here. Okay, let's go to my proper bari. Yaha chai sag cha majale sag faliraheko cha. I'm gonna get some sag. Look at these, they look very nice. One of my auntie told me this is latteko sag. अझै धेरै टिप्छु I'm gonna pick some more अनि त्यसपछि I will fill my basket म यहाँ यत्रो मेहनत गरेर रोप्दैछु मेरो बिरालु मेरो क्याटले चाहिँ सब आएर खन्दिन्छ अनि त्यसपछि she likes to poop in the garden अनि she dig everything and I can't wait to see her having babies because she's so ready to give a birth. I'm not that best gardener, but I love to see what I grow in my garden. So this is what I got. This is gonna be plenty enough for today's sag because यो दसैँको season हो and we've been eating a lot masu these days. Like masu wherever you go, even if your friend's house, relative's house, at my own house, I've got so much masu in our house. I still have it enough for more than 10 days. अर्को कर्नरमा चाहिँ we have these beautiful mulberries growing. Oh my god, look at that. This gonna taste so good, but I'm scared to eat them because my stomach hurts a lot when I eat these. Look at these. Ooh. Oh, look at this. I've got a lot of latteko sag. This is the other side of my garden and in this garden I have mulako sag, some look at this. These are the something salad spinach whatever, I don't know. And I've got a lot of these peas growing here. Oh, my garden is so pretty. I am picking some beetroot ko sag to mix with another sag. Oh shit, plug the whole thing in. This is going to be enough for tonight. Okie dokie, let's get some mint from here and then we will get ready for tonight's dinner. I'm gonna make mint ko chutney. It's very windy. Look at this, I have so much of mint here. Alrighty, I've got this latteko sag, halka beetroot ko sag, and I've got these beautiful, amazing tasting, smells so good. This is mint, and I'm gonna try making something good for tonight. Bye. Come here. Hey. La. तपाईहरुलाई यदि मेरो भिडियो मन परेमा लाइक, कमेन्ट र सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नभुल्नुहोला। थ्यांक यू।